Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to auto-remind new user to enroll in two-factor authentication, that is 2FA in Google Workspace, using the xFanatical Foresight automation tool. In today's digital landscape, protecting sensitive information is of utmost importance. Two-factor authentication has emerged as a powerful security measure, adding an extra layer of protection to user accounts. However, many users neglect to enable 2FA due to lack of awareness or forgetfulness. Two-factor authentication is a security mechanism that requires users to provide two forms of identification before accessing their accounts. With Foresight, organizations can automate the process of sending reminders to new users, urging them to enable 2FA during the account setup process. How to auto-remind new user to enroll in two-factor authentication in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight automation tool. We will divide our steps into two rules. Rule A: auto-create Google Calendar event upon user creation. Rule B: auto sends email reminder. Creation of Rule A. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the user-created trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Sign in with Google to grant approvals to Foresight in Google Workspace. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Convert Datetime action. Select the current datetime variable in the source datetime field. Leave the time zone field as it is. In the time change steps, select Add 3 days. This will set the date and time for the reminder, scheduled 3 days after the creation of the new account. Specify reminder date time as the variable name. Step 3. Click Add Next Action and select Create Calendar Event. Select the primary calendar in the Calendar field. In the Event Title field, type 2FA Reminder. For the Start Time field, click on the side icon and choose the Reminder Datetime variable. Keep the other fields at their default settings. Click Review. Step 4. Give a rule name and click Create. Creation of Rule B. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the calendar event started trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Choose the primary calendar in the Calendars field. For the event title, input 2FA Reminder. This title must match the one used in the Create Calendar Event action of Rule A. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, select Get Calendar Event Info Action. In the Calendar field, choose the Calendar ID variable. In the Event field, select the Calendar Event ID variable. Step 3. Click Add Next Action and select Extract Data from Text Action. In the Source Text field, select the Event Title variable, and in the Data Type to Extract field, select Email. Keep the default value of 1 in selection and enter user email in the Variable Name field. Step 4. Click Add Next Action and select Get User Info Action. Select the user email variable in the primary email field. Step 5. Click on the Add Next Action and select the If action. Rename branch 1 to Not Enrolled in 2FA, and in the branch, set the condition to 2SV Enrolled ? And select as False. Rename Fallback branch to Enrolled in 2FA. Click Add Next Action under the first branch of the If condition. Step 6. On the Select an Action screen, select Email Action. In the field, choose the user primary email variable. Enter the subject line in the Subject field. In the email body, type the provided text and personalize it using variables. To insert variables, click the V icon to see a list of all available variables. Click Review. Step 7. Enter a rule name for the rule and create Rule B. Triggering of the rule. Now you have to trigger the rule from the admin console by creating a new user. To do this, navigate to Directory, then Users, then Add a new user. Fill in all the necessary details, and then click the Add New User button to trigger the rule. Verification of the rule. After the user is created, a calendar event will be automatically generated. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, then select Show All. You can also access the Logs page from the left sidebar. After 3 days, users who haven't yet enrolled in 2FA will receive a reminder. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.